Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the nozzle in your LG washer, you will need a drill driver with a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Loosen the clamp on the bellow and remove the bellow from the tub. Then remove the nozzle. To install the new nozzle, set the nozzle into the tub. Then position the end of the bellow on the tub and tighten the clamp. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply, as well as the power, and your washer should be ready for use.